Accounting software has come a long way, and in 2026, Intuit is pushing things further with Intuit Enterprise Suite. Marketed as the next evolution of QuickBooks, this platform promises to bring accounting, payroll, reporting, and automation into one connected system. But is this really the future of QuickBooks, or just a more complex version aimed at bigger companies? Let's break it down. For years, QuickBooks has been the default choice for small and mid-sized businesses. It's simple, familiar, and does the job. Enterprise Suite, however, is built for companies that have outgrown basic accounting. Instead of just tracking income and expenses, it focuses on centralization and scale. The biggest promise of Intuit Enterprise Suite is integration. The platform connects accounting, payroll, compliance, inventory, and financial reporting into one ecosystem. In theory, this reduces data duplication and manual work, giving business owners a clearer picture of their finances in real time. Automation is another major selling point. The suite uses AI to categorize transactions, flag anomalies, and forecast cash flow based on historical data. For companies dealing with large volumes of transactions, this can save significant time and reduce human error. However, these benefits come with trade-offs. One of the biggest challenges is complexity. For users moving up from standard QuickBooks, Enterprise Suite can feel overwhelming. There are multiple dashboards, modules, and settings that require training to fully understand. Without proper onboarding, many features may go unused. Pricing is another concern. This is not an entry-level product. Subscription costs are noticeably higher, and advanced features often require add-ons. For small businesses with simple needs, the value may not justify the expense. There are also some integration limitations. While native tools work well, connecting third-party software can require extra configuration. This can slow down adoption for businesses already using specialized external systems. That said, companies that successfully implement Enterprise Suite often highlight its scalability and insight. For businesses with multiple teams, locations, or complex workflows, having everything in one place improves visibility and decision-making. So, is Intuit Enterprise Suite the future of QuickBooks? For growing and complex businesses, yes, it represents a clear step forward. But for small businesses, it may be more than necessary. Classic QuickBooks remains the better choice for simplicity and cost. In 2026, the best accounting software isn't the most powerful. It's the one that fits your business. Choose based on your size, needs, and resources. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest software reviews, and comment below whether you're upgrading or sticking with QuickBooks. See you in the next one.